from the start. It grew inside my heart. It changed me from that day. This love I can't contain.
Saya terima nikah dan kawinnya terima di Suantara Islam untuk saya sendiri. Dengan mas kawin tersebut dibayar tunai.
That you are all I was hoping for.